It is week 42 of planning. I am in my Kristy book bound. It is a Monday vertical. I am loving this planner so much. I am excited to plan next week with you. Last week for week, or this week, it was really this week 41, I had a crazy weekend last weekend, and if you saw my video, you will know that I ended up filming the video setting up my planner on Monday morning. I do not recommend doing that. It felt very disorganized. I didn't really enjoy going into the new week not having my planner set up. My advice to you is get it done Friday, Saturday, or Sunday the week before, or maybe plan out your whole month at once. I'm doing this with you, so I'm not planning that far in advance because I like the structure of planning and doing it weekly on these videos. The one thing that I have done, you will know, is I have put in my monthly stickers ahead of the game. November is set up. We're in October. I did also purchase December stickers. So I will be set up for at least the monthlies of November and December in advance. I did an unboxing video, so if you did not see that, that is a video of the planners that I purchased for 2026 from Laurel Denise. So I'll link that below. Go check that out. I would love to hear your thoughts. Because I'm filming these both at the same time, I'm putting up the unboxing first, and then I'm going to put this one up the next day. I want to wait to discuss and see your comments before I start chatting with you about all the things that I'm thinking about, because I said all those in the unboxing video. So today, let's just focus on, or in this video, let's just focus on setting up my planner for week 42. We'll get that set up, and I'll come back and we'll chat about what's going on in the planner, the things that I've changed up a few little things. They're like small little tweaks, and then we'll wrap it up there together. So I'm going to turn this around. As always, if you want to skip ahead of this part, there will be chapters, and I'll see you at the other end. Here's a quick look back at week 41, where I planned it that Monday morning, like I just said. I never ended up putting anything in here, so maybe I'll just think of something to add here. I did do the meal sticker right here. I added a workout sticker right here. I hadn't done that before. I added a line down here, so I had one line for the weather, and then I added one here so that we had 2 rows to add more, because I didn't have that before and I thought it was getting a little squishy. So I did that. I still love my habit tracker. I'm glad I put in a sticker here. This is making this space a little bit more, here, maybe you can see that better, a little bit smaller for me, so I'm not feeling as overwhelmed with what to put in here. And I did put some stuff in this column right here, because this has been a little bit empty. So there is plenty of space in the Kristy to do what you need. And then I've got all day tomorrow that I have nothing planned, and that will get filled up, and this will get filled up for today. But I'm filming this on Saturday. Like you can see, I've been using my habit tracker, and I do like planning that myself. So let's get into week 42. I'm still using my Planner Kate stickers. I love all these just different patterns. This is like the Halloween one. I think it's really fun. So let's get in and plan next week, week 42 together. And I will speed it up, and you can watch and follow along as we set up this planner for the week. that is week 42 done. I'm really happy to be doing this in advance of the week so that I can sit down and make notes, put in my to-do lists so that I am ready to start the week fresh. I really like leaving my planner out on my desk and going in, just jotting things as the days go on, making notes, crossing things off, adding what I've been doing. I do track my hours for work, so that's one of the reasons why I really like having this planner in the vertical so that I can kind of time block and know how many hours I'm doing on whatever project that I'm doing. So that's actually been really, really helpful. I'm not keeping like a tracker of like actual how many number hours, but I can kind of see, because I know what I'm doing, I can kind of tell where I'm sort of on my hours per week. But now that I'm all ready for next week, I'm feeling so much more confident with how this is going to end up. I am not going to be doing my planners on Monday morning because it didn't work for me last week. It really didn't work for me. Not good at all. So if you get a chance, don't forget to check out my unboxing video of the things that I purchased for 2026 from Laurel Denise. Let me know what you got. I'm really curious what you got and how you're going to use them, because I have lots of ideas and I need to come up with the best way to use the items that I did purchase. So yeah, so if you're new here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I've got tons of planner videos. I've got 41 to be exact, and now this is a 42. I am looking forward to the week ahead. Now that I'm all set up, it's gonna be a good week. Thank you so much for being with me today. I will see you next week for week 43.